So in today's video guys, I will be showing to you how you will be able to withdraw your money in Farmers World, and this is a quick and easy tutorial for you guys because I know that you also value your time, so I will make it really quick for you. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, it is Crypto Addict here back again with another and awesome updates. And also we will be drawing a lucky NFT person who've won. So there's only more than like 12 entries, 13 entries, which is not bad for you because these NFT giveaways are more than $300 worth. Okay, so if there's more, there's lesser people that are joining, then probably you will be able to win this. And if you want, you can always sell this. So let's just spin one and let's also get one. So okay, so we spin. I think the winner is ACMFM.WAM. So congratulations, bro. I'll make sure to PM you. I think you are the one who've messaged me on Twitter. So I think he's Tej Gaming. So I'll definitely going to message him right now that he is the winner of this. So also not just going just by going forward, this is how you do it. Okay, you will be going into the exchange. Okay, take mine on this part right here. You will be going into the exchange portion, and then you see that this is the in-game currencies that I have. I do have 5 wood, I do have 1,400 wood, and actually this part over here, you will be able to make money when you are going to withdraw it. Okay, so when you have this one, you will not be able to withdraw it quickly because you need to swap this into a token first, and there will be a charging fee of 7% when you are swapping it. And this is what you just need to do. Just type in here, let's say food, and I will be receiving 1,302 FWF because I am charged 7%, and this 7% goes back into the rewards pool. So this actually helps to make sure that the ecosystem is running. So let me just click the withdraw button right here. Okay, so this is how you do it into the right way. So you're just going to sign this one. So whole smart contract function, just click this approve button. So there's no gas fees here, and as you can see, transaction completed immediately. Okay, so what happens here is that you're just going to type in Alcor exchange. So it is wax.alcor.exchange. Okay, and you will be going into the swap button, and then you remember into this part over here, you are seeing that this is an FWF, right? This is an FWF coin. So what you just need to do is just go forward here and then look for an FWF. Okay, so this is a farmer's token, and as you can see, I already got my 1,302 FWF token, and one FWF is worth 1 wax. Okay, 1 wax. Okay, so what I'm just going to do, just click this one. I'm just going to convert everything into wax. So that's just how easy it is. Okay, so let me just do it for you guys because I want to show it to you right now. Okay, so you see here I do have 1,311 wax. Now how you will be able to withdraw this? Okay, so this is for the people who do not know anything about wax blockchain, who do not know how to withdraw their profits, and this is just how simple it is. Okay, you'll be logging. You just need to log in into your Binance account on your browser, on your devices, whether you are using an Android, iPhone, PC, or anything. As long as you can run a Binance there, you're just going to do it. And what you just need to do is you will be you need to find fiat and spot. Okay, I'm just going to re-click this one so that I will have approved. So after that, you just need to search for look for this one, okay? Search coin, and then type in here wax, okay? So this is listed in Binance. So that's just how simple it is. And into the action part over here, you're going to click the deposit, okay? Why deposit? Because you will be withdrawing this, okay? And you will be depositing it into your Binance account. So you need to click the deposit. And if you want to withdraw this back into your Alcor, then what you just need to do is just go for a withdraw function. So let me just like show it to you first, and then of course just type in here the wax address that you have. So I'll make sure that I will create a video on how you will be able to transfer from your Binance into a wax token so that you will be able to start in Farmers World. But for now, let me just show it to you how you will be able to get your money and also just like, of course, enjoy the money that you've already got. So this is the first step, okay? Make sure that you are going to get the address and memo required, because if you miss this memo, you are actually losing your money. Why? Because if you do not have a memo, these funds will be lost forever. I mean, that is why it's very important to have this memo. So do not worry, because you can always chat the support on Binance to help you on this. But just make sure to get this memo too, because this is just a basic copy and paste. Okay, so let's say I will be getting 980 wax token, or let's just say I will be getting 1,000 wax. Okay, so let me just click this transfer option here. So I'm just going to maximize this so that you can see this, and you see that this is the receiver. So this is the address that you need to copy, and just click the paste here. And after that, let me just do it again. Just put how many wax tokens that you want to withdraw or you transfer, and then also copy this memo. Okay, this memo is entirely for you, so there is no replica on this. So the next thing that you just need to do is just approve the transaction, and you don't even need gas fees for this. This is entirely free, and just click the approve button, and you just need to wait for the transaction approval. And you see this is transaction complete. So this is the transaction ID, which is the proof that it has been processed already. So let me just click this annoying airplanes over here, because of course this is just a precautionary measures. So you see it is already transferred, and what we just need to do here into our part is just wait. Okay, we just need to wait for this to be reflected into our wallet. I think it will take us more than around 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know, but of course, if you want to be part with another giveaway that I will be showing to you into the future, do not forget to subscribe into my channel, guys. This is entirely free, and also follow me on Facebook. In Twitter, it is Crypto Addict PH. So make sure to follow me, and let's just really like wait. Okay, let's wait for this to be successful, because it will entirely appear here. Okay, I don't care if this will take us around 1 or 3 minutes, but what I just really want to show it to you is it actually works. You're actually making money, and I want to be transparent in everything. I'm just not promoting here. I'm actually making money here, guys. Okay, and if I'm making, then you should be making money too. Okay, so let's just wait for a bit. For you to be able to get the updates, you just need to refresh this one. But assuming that you've already done this, okay, you've already transferred it into wax on Binance with a memo that entirely for you, then probably it is an easy job for you. Okay, so it will be on fiat and spot. So what you just need to do here is just look for a wax token. So it will actually appear here, and then just transfer it into a P2P, into a funding. Okay, so just click the sorry, you need to convert it first into a USDT. So how you will be able to convert it? Go forward into this part over here, and then look for a wax. Okay, I think it is here. So I'm not sure why it is not appearing, but I think there is a trade button over here into the classic part because it has a liquidity. Okay, so how you will be able to look for it? Just go forward here, just type in WAXP, and as you can see, there's 4 liquidity pools. Okay, you will be able to exchange it whether you are using USDT, BUSD, BNB, or whatever the hell you want to use. Okay, so in my case, I will be using USDT, and what you just need to do is just sell. Oh, it's already inside my Binance. Okay, so let me just open another Binance. Oh my god, I opened another application. So you see here that I've just deposited 1000 WAXP. So this is the transaction that I just completed. This is the 1000 wax, and for you to be able to withdraw it like what I mentioned, okay, just click this into the max price. Okay, so let's say you want to sell your WAXP. Okay, so let me just pick whatever the fuck I want here. So let's say I will be picking 1000 WAXP. So I am getting 223 USDT, which translates, if you are a Filipino, at 11,000 pesos. That's how big it is. Okay, so what you just need to do again, okay, just sell this WAXP token. So you will be able to see it here. Okay, it will be triggered as long as someone bought it, and this will be easy. This will be easy because this will be filled faster than, I mean, because this is already into this part over here. What you just need to do is just wait for your time to be able to sell this part, and after that, you're just fine. And after this has been filled, you will be going into this part over here, into this fiat and spot, and then exchange. Okay, transfer this your USDT tokens into a P2P funding, and then you will be able to sell it into other people's, which in turn will be going into your bank. Okay, so let me just show it to you. So let me just click this buy and sell over here, and just sell the USDT, and just look for PHP. If you are Filipino like me, just look for it, and of course just sell directly your USDT, and you will be fine. This will be easy, and there's no hassle at all. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. Again, I will be holding another NFT giveaway. I will be asking again the team if they will actually give us another one, and do not forget to subscribe into my channel. Again, it is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys, and see you on the next video.